In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change document background color in Google Docs. If you want to give your document a different look, changing the background color is a quick and simple way to do it. This can be useful for creating worksheets, making a document feel more visually engaging, or just helping it stand out from a plain white page. Google Docs includes this option inside the Page Setup menu, and once you know where to find it, the process only takes a moment. To get started, open your Google Docs document and look at the menu bar at the top of the screen. From there, click File. This opens the drop-down menu where you'll find several document-related settings, including printing, downloading, and page formatting options. In the File menu, select Page Setup. This will open a small settings window where you can adjust things like page orientation, paper size, margins, and page color. For this tutorial, the setting we want is the page color option. Inside the Page Setup window, look for the section labeled Page Color, then click the color box next to it. This will open the color picker, where you can browse through a range of preset colors. Depending on the version of Google Docs you're using, you may see light shades, darker tones, and sometimes a custom option as well. Now, choose the background color you want for your document. Pick the shade that best fits the purpose of your file. If you're creating something professional, a subtle light color may work best. If it's for a flyer, classroom material, or something more creative, you might prefer a stronger color. One helpful tip is to make sure your text still has enough contrast against the background, so it remains easy to read. Once you've selected your color, click OK to apply it. As soon as you do, the new background color will be added to the document. After applying it, you'll see that the selected color becomes the background for every page in the document, not just one page. That's important to keep in mind if your document has multiple pages, because the change is applied across the entire file for a consistent appearance. And that's all it takes to change the document background color in Google Docs. It's a small customization, but it can make a big difference in presentation. If needed, you can always return to Page Setup later and choose a different color or switch it back.